Okay guys, quick video about the infotainment. I have made this video in the previous car that I had. I'm pretty sure it's the same, but for some reason it looks a bit different to me, and there are other features I don't know if the other car has. So to start with, there's a little bit of confusion here because when I got the car tuned, the cruise control no longer worked from 30. On the 2018 it works from 30. So there's all those little differences we're forgetting about in the 2018, or I forget about. Also, from memory, when I got the car, those guidelines were moving, right? But then they disappeared. Anyway, okay, put the car in neutral. That's the delay. And then hold home and push the audio 5 times, and you're in this menu. And this is where you could update it if they ever bother to do that, which I doubt they will. And you can turn on the camera setting. Sorry, guys. Here. So my guideline was off, and I don't know why it went off. The default is off. And for the caution, like check surrounding areas, something like that, before backing up. So anyway, I'm going to turn that on and turn that off because it gives me a bigger camera picture, I think. And over here is where you can check all your steering controls. So if I push cancel, nothing happens. If I push source here or phone, you'll see that it's coming up. That's just for diagnostics. I've had issues with my Huawei P20. After an update, my Bluetooth breaks up and then it won't. Like when I went down to the snowy mountains, it didn't do it once, but generally it does it, and it drives me insane. Over here you can find your here you can find the Pandora. What a joke. The version information here for Bluetooth and stuff like that. But yeah, much like the rest of the car, there's not really much you can do here. But yeah, it helped me with the guidelines, so it's something. Now to get out of it, you just hold the home button and it'll reboot. You can go in and see all the other functions there. Anyway, I've got to get the workshop open. Hope that helps. Bye.